Welcome back, everybody. Many school districts going back to school this week. You may be inclined to try to get the kids off to bed early, but KXAN Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin says he's got at least one reason for you to keep them up late.
I know.
If you dare.
Not a great idea.
This was ominous.
But there's some middle of the night things that you can watch yourself or wake the kids up to check out if you'd like. This is not a recommendation, just an potential suggestion. We've got the Perseids Meteor Shower that's actually still ongoing. It occurs every July and August, but it's about to peak. It'll be peaking here as we get into Wednesday nights. And the idea is late night, early morning hours, away from the city lights. You could get a good shot of seeing several meteors or even fireballs. 50 to 100 meteors per hour at its peak, again, away from the lights. And this comes from the debris from the Swift-Tuttle comet that we get to see and enjoy the meteor shower from roughly this time every year. There could be some extra beneficial viewing, though, this week because we've got a new moon. And that means no moon to distract and take away from the light of the meteor shower. So the darker the sky, the easier it would be to see it. Our meteorologist, Hannah Gard, actually put together a blog just today all about this meteor shower with some advice on the viewing. Now, this time of year, weather-wise, we typically do get a lot of late night and early morning low clouds. So you may be better off looking at it closer to 10, 11 p.m., midnight before some of those low clouds come in. We already have clouds out there now. These are coming in from some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms out there. Coverage going to be limited. I think the coverage actually going to be a little lower than it was yesterday. But still, rain is rain and we appreciate it. Here's how it looks from the Allied Medical Emergency Room camera there in Bastrop, where the sky is rather gray and you do have some rain around. These sea breeze showers coming in from the south and east. There's actually a weak low there helping to bring them here. Most areas are going to stay dry, but if you live east of 35 especially, your chances are not zero. There's a bigger cluster of rain and storms in the Houston area. This is already starting to weaken. As you can see, we're losing some of the yellows, oranges, and reds as it turns to more the green coloring, indicating more of a light rain. But here locally, we're still getting some of these spotty showers, downpours, and non-severe thunderstorms that have been bubbling up in parts of now far eastern Williamson County into Milam County and Lee County as well, just to the west-southwest of Blue and also east of Bocas there. Even in Travis County, a few spotty light showers in the Manor area and up and down SH 130. This would be about a 5-minute shower for you there, but still a shower nonetheless. These are unlikely to make it much further west than 35 if they make it that far west at all, but at least for the next 2 or 3 hours, some widely scattered showers or a thunderstorm are going to remain a possibility. This particular computer model is a tad wetter than I think it's going to be here, but still picking up on the rain chances and doing a great job, I think, with the timing of the disappearance of the rain, which will go away as we get closer to sunset. 7 o'clock, just before sunset, partly cloudy, and then into tomorrow morning, early morning clouds giving way to sun. Tomorrow's rain chances even lower than today. We're in the upper 90s now. It is touch and go as to whether we hit that 100-degree mark or stay at 99 or 98. We'll be partly cloudy tonight, warm and humid down to 78. So you can see those middle and upper 70s area wide. And then tomorrow we do think we'll be at triple digits. Whether we are today or not, tomorrow looks hotter because the rain chances are lower. We're going to stay in the triple digits here for the next several days. 99 is normal for this time of year, so 100 or 101 is not too far from normal. And we're staying in that very humid category too. In fact, this weekend, we may try to spend a few hours in the oppressive category there Saturday morning. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. Tomorrow's rain chances, they're less than 10%, so they don't show up on our 7-day. And then after tomorrow, those rain chances are closer to 0, and it's just triple digits for those first days of school this week and into next week across the area.